how to fix WhatsApp voice memo error. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and turn that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads here. So right now, we are here on our WhatsApp, and what we would do to fix this problem is go to the settings of our phone. So just click on the settings app. First solution is go to your Bluetooth and then make sure that it is off. So sometimes this affects our voice memo in WhatsApp. And in here, what you would do is to search for the settings called parental control. So go here, and if you would see that the parental control is set up or on, just turn it off so it would have no restrictions in our phone. Because sometimes this affects also the WhatsApp voice memo. And the last thing to fix this is go to your apps, and then if you are on the app list of your phone, scroll until you find the WhatsApp app, since we are going to check some of its permissions from its settings. Oops, sorry, that is the wrong app. Just go back, and then let's find for the WhatsApp. So here is WhatsApp. Just go to the permissions of this app, and then make sure that the microphone is allowed for you to use the voice memo option or feature. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching this video.